Check sheets are a 7QC tool, typically used to collect data in order to understand how and what variables can affect a process. When recording data on a check sheet, check marks or tally marks are used to indicate the amount of what is being collected. As check sheets provide a structured format in which data can be collected, businesses, individuals, and other groups are able to use check sheets to assess potential issues. Common uses for check sheets include stratifying or arranging data as it is collected, understanding changes in variables through the passage of time, and analyzing data as it is collected. Regardless of how a check sheet is used, it is divided into sections, each of a different significance depending on the section. To ensure the accuracy of a check sheet and its sections within, it is often helpful to follow what is referred to as the 5 W's. Who filled out the check sheet? What was collected? Where did the collection take place? When did the collection take place? And why was the data collected? When using a check sheet, there are 5 basic types that may be used depending on the situation. These types include frequency check sheets, which are used to help identify how often a problem is occurring. The data collected on this type of check sheet are discrete in nature, providing an overview of the problem areas. Defect location check sheets focus on the location of the defects in a picture, illustration, or item that represents the part or product being manufactured. Measurement scale check sheets, also known as frequency distribution check sheets, look at continuous data that are grouped at different intervals between 2 specification limits. Classification check sheets help put variables into a category, such as a machine, worker, or time period, like the day of the week or week in a month. This check sheet is a visual representation of when and how often defects are occurring. And finally, checklists or task lists are check sheets used to identify various tasks that need to be performed for a specific project or process. For these check sheets, check marks are used to indicate task completion.